8
Hostiles.
PM either way.
I hope that's friendly behind us.
Hopefully it is.
Where?
It's not. It's it's not.
Yeah.
Patches, there was an unfriendly BMP.
Loading.
This is why I hate
You need
when
me
we
to
have
TP or
friendly
what?
vehicles.
Was. What do you mean was?
That's completely incorrect because I turned it off and we can't hear you.
We're being engaged from another BTR east.
Yep.
Alright, hopping on the GMG. Does that penetrate? I hope it does.
It will do damage, we just gotta suppress the hell out of it.
On the right net.
We don't have any HEDP, so it won't do, yeah.
I don't see it.
Yeah, mate. Call.
Where?
It is,
Oh yeah,
it's
yep,
moving.
I see it, I see it, I see it. I'm gonna die, by the way. Lol.
Beep beep.
BB, no!
They're ramming it.
Stevie ramming it with
You
her
have the mast, you have the mast! Oh god.
Stevie!
No!
Did she really?
BB just sacrificed herself for the greater good. Oh no.
Dismounts, dismounts, dismounts.
I'm out of bandages.
Target's, farther east, I'm suppressing.
This is lightning to all. Do we have any squad leaders who are capable?
Reloading in the open like an idiot.
Do we have anybody on net with an LR who's leading an element?
There's a Reno with an LR, but I am stuck inside of a vehicle and cannot exit.
Okay, we're
Target's
surrounded,
behind
it
the
feels
perimeter
like.
wall, moving northwest at this time.
The good news is we're killing enough of them that they cannot keep sustaining this push. The bad news is, you know, we're feeling the pain.
A-firm, this is Kazuta Guide.
Everything hurts.
Go ahead, Kazoo.
I'm stuck inside of this vehicle and I literally cannot leave.
Good copy. Where is your location?
Grid ref 094974. We are in the MTL.
Did we ever go save DB's life, or did we just leave her dead?
I am not sure what my squad name
Okay, Falcon,
but
we're
I am not even.
Did it say that she died? I wasn't paying attention.
No.
I don't know.
Okay, can we... Okay, that seems safe. Yeah, sure, why not? Where is she?
She's in the vehicle.
Oh, can we get her out?
Yeah, I just wanted to get her stable first. Don't get her.
Yeah, stabilizer. Yeah, fuck off. I thought it was not existent. How good is cooked fox, anyways? Tastes good.
Ground just as high.
I don't know, Davey, how do you think you taste?
Don't answer that.
Anybody on ground, this is high.
This is lightning. Go for ground.
Be advised, radar contact has picked up, looks like that Russian
Hey,
bear
Redmond, I know this is a loner, but I need
to,
medical as well.
the AO.
Can you say that again, just slowly?
Looks like radar contact has picked up that Russian bear entering the airspace yet again.
From what direction?
Coming from the east.
Okay, the Russian bear is entering the AO from the east. Do we have anything?
Yes, I don't know how to set additional need.
Yo, GMG.
We have a GMG. Isn't the Russian bear a fixed wing? How the fuck are we gonna hit it with a GMG?
I got it.
Falcon.
Falcon, go.
Gunner, get in that vehicle.
Unknown intentions.
All right, all guns east. Good God.
Roof up here.
Take cover.
23 millimeters coming in,
Oh.
and it just dropped a bunch of I don't even know what.
God.
Did we win?
The fixed wing is flying away south, so no.
I think we won.
Oh no, that's a friendly
Looks like that
ZU.
might have been their
I'm
last
alive.
attempt
I'm
for
inside the
ending
front foot.
everything,
It was on the
get you
ground.
guys out there.
SU-6.
Stand by for index.
Oh, stand by for index. We actually managed to bullshit our way through this.
Wait, that was it?
I guess. We killed, like, how many BMTs did we kill? How many BTRs? I'm not sure if we killed any MBTs.
So what's the deal with what the fuck lose, none?
How the fuck were we the only squad that didn't get fucked that entire time? I mean, DB went, I've got the mass on a BTR. That was fun.
Alright. What, Reno?
Is it? Oh no, no.
Oh, right, where's Leroy?
I'm gonna give you blood. Ah, oh god!
DB, did you just try to fire that?
How many shots does this bitch take?
I kill here.
Ghost Riders in the sky.
Oh, I think I got head bug glitched into the. God damn it.
Man,
Apparently, I technically got the kills on both those BTRs. Okay, I'll take it.